Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about unexpected signs that your manifestation is coming. And guys, we are trying to hit 3,000 subscribers on this channel, so if you find value in this video, please be sure to subscribe and also hit the like button. Okay, I'm gonna hop into the video. The first sign is hardship. Hardship or a loss of something in your life. Whenever you are getting close to your manifestation, there are usually like little tests to see if you are actually ready for your manifestation. And this can come in the form of hardship or in the form of loss. If you're trying to manifest wealth and maybe you lose your job, that might feel like a setback at first. But what it can actually be is an opportunity. Maybe you had to lose that job because you have to start applying to higher paying jobs in order to manifest the wealth that you want into your life. Maybe you needed to lose that job to have more time to work on your side hustle or your business that you're trying to grow, and because that's how you're going to manifest the wealth that you want into your life. If you're trying to manifest like specific people or specific relationships, and you notice that other people and other friendships or relationships start to kind of fade away, maybe that had to happen in order to make room for your new relationships. If you're trying to manifest like a dream job, but you feel like you start to have these like challenges, like you don't know how to do certain things while you're in the process of trying to do this, then that's a little challenge. It's like, are you really ready? And so what you can do is just learn the skill that you need and push through. And that will be like your way of telling the universe that you are ready and that you are determined to have this manifestation. And then it will come to you. A little personal example that I'll give you is actually my other YouTube channel. Lately, it's been doing like kind of poorly compared to how it was doing earlier. And I think what actually happened is I was like getting a little bit nervous. As my channel was like starting to grow and grow and grow, I was like getting a little bit scared and a little bit nervous. And like a little, deep down, I was worried about how my life was going to change and if I would be able to handle it. And that is exactly when that channel started to do badly. And I think it was like a little test, like, are you really ready for this? Are you determined enough? And honestly, whenever there's a little test or a little challenge, you can always combat this with determination. If you know you're gonna have this in your life, if you know that you're gonna have these manifestations come true, you're determined to get it, then nothing can stop you. Number 2 is what I would like to call the calm before the storm. It's kind of when you just feel super at peace and you're not like worried about your manifestation coming or not, or like when it's gonna come. This could be due to a few reasons. One, maybe you forgot about it. That's a really common one. You forget about it and randomly all of a sudden it comes to you. 2, you've finally let go and detach from the outcome, because again, you know that whether or not it's coming, you're going to end up with something better if you don't get what you wanted. You know that the universe has your back and you know that it's all going to work out for you in the end. So that could be why. Or number 3, you know that it's done. You know that it's already on its way and you no longer care about like when it's gonna happen because you fully trust the process and you know it's gonna happen when it's supposed to in divine timing. My lighting keeps getting darker because the sun is setting, so I keep having to like change it. But yeah, it's the calm before the storm. It's when you're so at peace because you already know, you're so confident that it's gonna happen. It's a huge sign that it's literally about to happen. Number 3 is signs from the universe, right? Whether you're seeing angel numbers over and over again, or maybe you keep hearing like a song over and over again, or a saying, like a phrase over and over again. Pay attention to these little signs because it means that your manifestation is on its way, that it's so close to you and that it's coming. This can come in different forms. Like some people might see like a symbol over and over again. Some people who have like asked the universe for a sign might see that sign over and over again. Or maybe if you're like manifesting a car or an apartment, then you keep seeing like that car model, or you keep seeing like apartments that look similar to that over and over again. That is a sign that your manifestation is on its way. Number 4 is new or strange opportunities. So if you're manifesting like a relationship, let's say, and your friend keeps asking you to like go out with her or to go to like a dance class with her, I don't know, whatever it is, and you're just kind of like, I don't know, I don't really know if I want to go. She keeps asking. It could be that maybe at one of these events that your friend is like trying to drag you to, that's where you're gonna meet the new person that's going to be in your life, that's going to give you the relationship that you've been trying to manifest. Or if you're trying to manifest like a career opportunity or like more wealth or more abundance into your life, and one of your siblings or one of your family members keep trying to drag you to some like random party with like her coworkers or something like that, and you're just kind of like, I don't really want to go. But she keeps asking me, well, it could be that maybe at one of these events you might do some networking, and that could potentially lead to an opportunity that could advance you in your career, or that could increase your wealth, something like that. And the last one is your little manifestations are coming. The little tiny things that you manifested maybe even a long time ago that you maybe even forgot about. Just like little things that you you don't have that much weight in, like you don't really care that much if it happens or not. For some reason, all of a sudden, all these little things are coming true. It's basically like a sign, again, from the universe that you are a powerful creator. And it's like, look at all of these little things that you have manifested already. And it's a sign that the big things that you want to manifest are already on its way and that it's coming. It's almost like you want to prepare yourself for when these things come, because I go back to like the challenges that the universe gives you before you get your manifestation. It's almost like a little like, hey, I'm not sure if you're ready for this, but if you really want this, then you should prepare yourself in order to have this in your life. Like for example, if you want to manifest wealth and abundance, but like little things are coming up and you're kind of like, oh, I don't really know how to manage my money. I'm not great with personal finance. It's basically like a sign, like, hey, you might want to learn about personal finance and how to manage your money, so that when your manifestation comes and you have all this wealth and abundance, you like know what to do and you don't like lose it all. Like people who win the lottery and then like end up broke a few months later. It's kind of like that. It's like the universe is trying to prepare you so you can actually handle what's coming. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye!